Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra. Kinoilam jangka Jaintia National Council belalam kemat do Presiden ubak Sam Bormi Lingdo. Haka arpun retere unailar araja pulai. Kila lit beni kendu iki bor peniat jangka Meghalaya Cement Limited. Haka snong Tangskai East Jaintia Hills District. Ban dawa beriban be kam shisendon. Yaki arngut kinong teri barjela ki badan kiti ban kensyot. Yaki pulit ringkat bat ki tensi tensang. Ban pak kawat lathi napang yaki noyaki ki bapersya. Ya ka jing pelong public hearing. Bala pelong haka ap sautri unailar arja pulai. Nakaliang jugi bor penyak kila yathu baka company kaladap suspend yaki nakakam bat haka juk apor kila kular ban shim dak senjam ke peting yaki badan keti bat syuk ki bor penyak kila kular ban ajing ram yaki pat ba ki bala mensau haka tu kesngi.
During the protest of the local people during public hearing now 24 August. As the police was pushing back the protesters as per the instruction of the administration officer, and two of our employees used some unparliamentary word during that unaccepted unparliamentary demand. Meghalaya Cement Limited Corporation Management has taken a strong view of the above incident and has immediately suspended of the said employee. Corporation Management once again apologized due to the behavior of our employees. We assure a large and the Meghalaya Cement Limited is committed to promote peace, harmony and conducive environment for the employee and nearby village associated with our company, and also assure you that no such untoward incident will happen in the future. This is what we are planning to give you.
Nakaliang kajongi ka Jaintia National Council hadin ke bala je haka public hearing jongka topsam ni nakaliang kaseng ni penpau nungkong ke jing snosi ke bakrau banyu i ke to ke jing pendankam jongki pulit da ke force ban persengya yo pait ba ki batmu ban ban to ke hearing ban persya ta ke bakam pen snosi susu yang kum kaseng hi kalong abang yo i leng ba ki video leng ba ki social media ba armut naki kiway naki balong kum kita ki officer apa kene ke plan kila pendon kami ki kenten ki ba penmong ya kajing sngau jong ki pai ba bat ka bala ru ban bu kajing ma ya ki batrai ha kene ka plan khamtam bat kum juru ya ki nong song hi tangi na kaliang ka seng ta ka sngi la yo ban yikran badu presiden jong ka topsam u head jong ka topsam ka badan ne apa Tangskai ta kajing ikran ka jongi batu kalong ke bas no tenat bantip ba marsen je ka to kajing je na kaliang ki highest authorities neta kita ki highest management committee jong ka ni ka plan kila suspend mardor ya kita ki armut tangi na kaliang keseng kajing ikran marki ngila perpau bangi ikum keseng impriang tang kata kajing suspend ni kwa ru ba na kaliang ka managing committee jong ka ni ka company bakin welcome permanently le nation bangkam nak bagi numsyak syuk ya kita ke arngut bikin tray hapok kan di ketopsam kemudian hapok Tangskai le ni hapok East Jaintia Hill district ta kalong nakaliang u presiden jong kan ka plan ru ulai assuran yang ikesen baong ba nakaliang ka jong un sabha ya ke bangila ya kran hapok kan ke meeting syaki bor ki ba kham halor nang bikin la ban shim ya ke ban le ke badan kambat ula kular ru ba un bikin sawang hi makin sawang kam hi permanently ya kini ki arngut dan nakaliang ka jong presiden ula airu kata kajing kular akhbat jong ni kinong ilam keseng bakin sa yarap by the way ya kito ki pait ba ki bala mensau hakato ka sngi jong kato ka jingja bat ngila kenturu yaki bikin shna ya kata ka jingi dei ke babha bat kini ki nong shong ki badan khamtam shakini ki than shakjan kini ke cement plan namar kat kum bapawa ka tugas ngi ba kata ka jingi dai apung pai ba kani ka company ka kamlong ka babha tena kalian ka jongi ngila maham jur ki bagi dai ban yatri rengkat ba rupai ba ni ulai turu yang ni bah kajing sisa nak tu ka sngi nak kalian kajong kim poi perkhat bat kim kemen halar tu kajing ja nak kalian kajong kiru kila penpau kajing snusi halar tu kajing ja tengi hi nak kalian keseng long kajing doa kajong ni pada ban remove permanently ya kitu ki armut napok kene ka company dan nak kalian kajong ki kila ai ka assurance mungkin saya keren hakata ka top level jong kene ka semen plan ada nang takin sabha yang ni ka kaya gerai ka bakate ka komiti kan sa sim kin sa ajing tip yang ni ka sa